In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then hold it and drag it to the top right corner. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the bottom and drag your window. To scale it, hold one of its top corners and drag it as well. If you want to use your app in full screen view, click at the bottom left corner. To close it though, click at the bottom right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!